This is the final video to solve AMD driver timeout crashes in Subnautica 2. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve AMD driver timeout crashes in Subnautica 2, and I'm going to share them with you. The first method addresses corrupted or outdated graphics drivers, which are the most common culprits for these game-breaking errors. By uninstalling the current driver completely and performing a clean installation of the latest stable version, we ensure the software communicating with your AMD hardware is functioning optimally without any residual conflicts. Method 2 focuses on game-specific settings, particularly in Subnautica 2. Lowering graphical presets, disabling demanding features like ray tracing or excessive anti-aliasing, and reducing resolution can significantly decrease the load on your GPU, preventing it from overheating or reaching its performance limits, which often triggers the timeout. Method 3 involves system-level optimizations. This includes ensuring Windows is fully updated, as operating system patches can resolve underlying compatibility issues, and closing unnecessary background applications that consume valuable CPU and RAM resources, freeing them up for the game. Finally, method 4 tackles potential hardware strain. This involves monitoring your GPU and CPU temperatures during gameplay. If temperatures are consistently high, it suggests a cooling issue that needs addressing, such as cleaning dust from fans or improving case airflow to prevent thermal throttling that leads to driver timeouts.
Till we hit a red light, then I see the sun. Oh, after